We got a long day today, y'all. What's good, though, bro? Feel me? What y'all been on, man? RDE vlog. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got a lot on my chest, bro, but we finna have fun, though. Like, we back. We back. Already. I feel like, bro, like, a lot of evil get praised, bro. And, you know, you gotta be a villain in this life, but at the same time, bro, never feel like you're not doing enough, bro. I feel like we put each other down too much because of our circumstances. Like, my advice, bro, do what you want to do in this life and do it because you're proud of it. Don't do it because somebody else wants you to do it. Don't do it because somebody else say you should do it. Do what you do because you're proud of it, man. But, yeah, bro, we finna get back living life, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, real deal. I ain't got nobody with me right now, but you feel what I'm saying? Like, we gonna make this shit happen today, though. How y'all been, though? I'm on some sober shit right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm on some sober shit. Sober journey. I'm probably gonna put that in the title. Like, we're doing the rest of the year sober. Literally. Literally. So, yeah, man. We finna go get our hair cut. You know what I'm saying? Like, equipment back in. Money straight. Got us some bands. Thanking the Most High. Simple as that, bro. So, we're finna get into the vlog, bro. Hey, bro, like, we back doing all that, bro. Like, we finna go hit the stove. We finna go, you know what I'm saying? Like, hey, I'm lit. Hey, I feel good. I don't know about y'all, but I feel good, right? Like, you can't put your energy to shit that ain't gonna help you at all, bro. For real. Like, don't get it twisted. Get your money on, but, bro, live for yourself, gang. I told you, just handle the fucking world, bro. I think I'm capping. This shit. Bro, them edibles, bro, it fucked me up for like 4 days. So, I'ma tell y'all, bro. Nigga, what really happened, I'ma put this story time in this too. A little snippet, though. But, I've been taking edibles, bro, but this time, I handled it so much better, but so much worse, if that makes sense. Like, bruh, niggas goddamn had to pay for some shit again, bruh. Like, every time I get dumb zooted, nigga, I gotta pay for some shit. Some dumb ass shit happens, bruh. Listen, bruh, I said this in a clip. Give up an addiction and the bad stuff that be happening, the unfortunate stuff, like just the bullshit that you be having to deal with, bro. You don't have to deal with it, bro. I literally don't gotta deal with no bullshit cause I'm sober. It's like I'm full control. Like when you, bro, listen, bro, we off something, bro. Like, yeah, you can still do your thing, but certain things ain't for that, bro. And it's like you gotta just put this shit down. I had to put this shit down, bro. Don't get it twisted, bro. I'ma always fuck with it, but it's like, bro, I put it down, bro. I put it down for now. The same hoe, I don't feel it all, but fuck it on a wild with a big old pole. And I go hit the road, I just try to reach out the bed. I gotta change the lyrics to that one. I don't be fucking with my songs, bro. Like, listen, bro. Like I said, y'all gonna hear a whole new Fiji, bro. Real talk. Y'all gonna hear a whole new Fiji. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all gonna hear a whole new Fiji, bro. Same hoe, don't feel her, but same hoe, don't feel her, but I just got you, hold on. The same hoe, don't feel her though. The fuck up on the wild with I'm clutching my pole, and I go hit the road. I just put some ice on my neck, but I just went with gold. I just went with gold. I said letting in church with my youngin'. I take your game striker. Pull up to the function of freak. I told her I'm about her. See, bro, I get put up. Y'all nigga in the way and shit, man. Don't get pulled over, y'all. Do not forget to ride how you supposed to ride. I'm not gonna lie. This ain't for everybody. You know, I'm chilling right now, but you know, this ain't for everybody. Don't talk to them, boy. Like, so many mistakes happen when you're not in right state of mind. You know what I'm saying? I don't care how much somebody doing. I don't care how much what they showing you, bro. A lot of stupid shit happens when you're not in the right state of mind, bro. You know they say more money, more problems. That's the real thing. Because listen, a lot of people ain't in their full cognitive mind. You know what I'm saying? People be zooted, booted. So when you in that state, you gonna fuck up on your journey a lot more and like you gonna be sober and you gonna be like, damn, this thing had to happen. I ain't had to do this. This situation went down. A lot of shit be going down and you don't even know. It's like it's normal to you, bro. That's why so much bullshit go down when you offer something. When you sober, it's like shit be really chill. It be really chill because you're not falling into the bullshit. I ain't never heard of somebody who be off a substance and like they ain't had to pay for some shit. They ain't get into some like arguments. All that shit be happening. Now that's not the end of the world when that shit happens, but it could be a lot better when it's not like that, bro. Like, it's like that type of shit is a controversial thing, bro, when it comes to like how people function on day to day. But I'm telling you from first hand, nigga, I know what I'm talking about with this shit. But yeah, that's basically like the lesson I got for this one. Like, sacrifice some shit, bro. That's what I'm saying all year, bro. Just sacrifice whatever the fuck you gotta sacrifice. Real talk. It ain't a lot of niggas saying positive shit. Boom, you already know we finna get cut. I really don't be getting cut this often. Like, I wait a little bit. I'm one of them niggas like, I'll go through the caveman phase, but today we finna just do it. I don't be too worried about my like hair like that. But we finna get on. I ain't getting no reach. Oh, my nigga is here today. I thought my barber went here. Shit. Good game. For sure. Hey, you finna be in the vlog today, twin. Yeah, yo. No, yeah. Finna be in that bitch. Yeah. I'm right here. You finna be in that bitch, bro. Right here. Yeah, no, I ain't starting live stream shit. You need like a little laptop for that. Yeah. I really just got on it like this year. I really think I made my first one like December, but you feel what I'm saying? What you doing, playing the game and shit? Yeah. Or like the game pigeon?
Yeah. I be on PlayStation.
For real? You got P5?
Yeah. I only be getting like 2K.
You a smack be a 2K, I ain't gonna lie. Bro, tell her what's up with you, bro. Tell her what's up with you, like. Shout yourself with something, bro. For real. At least you get free clout, bro. So.
Boss man, how you doing?
Like 3 weeks. Yeah, like 3. It don't look like it. My shit be hella growing on the sides. Like, I don't know how to explain it, bro. It do its own thing. Like, it just do its own thing.
Somebody cut it though last time before me though, right?
Yeah. It had to been like 2 though, cause 3 it might have been a little OD. 3 weeks might have been a little OD, cause it grow like a little bit more every week. Like, that would really be going on though.
You got planned for the vlog.
Shit, I don't know. I might got down hit the range, something like that. You ever hit that? The range? Yeah.
I ain't never tried.
Should. Goddamn. You just gotta be legal though. Cause I don't.
How old you is?
I just turned 20.
But they bring you up in there.
Yeah, they should. They should. I don't think it's no age limit. Like, you could bring people up in there and all. Like, it's like on some family shit. That's when they be letting you bring everybody with you. But it was like,
Come on, get some family time.
I can't even say that because today it might just be me.
It's gonna be new time.
Yeah, but if you like a nigga just get out of jail or some shit, I don't think they gonna let you in there, bro. Not by yourself. You gotta be with somebody.
How they gonna know you a nigga?
I don't know, bro. Like, all I know is, shit, if you could get in there, good.
As long as you in there, good.
Yeah. Hope it don't die while I'm doing this shit.
What you posting on TikTok?
TikTok for the clip. YouTube where it go.
Huh?
I said YouTube where it's going. TikTok for the clips and shit. Tell them what they need to know and shit. Like, baby. Make sure they ain't doing the wrong thing. They my barber, y'all. Like, stay out the street, bro. Get on some vlog. Get on some cut. Get on something, bro. Baby, go to the range. Do stuff like that. You're not getting nowhere. You just on some negative shit. That's what I think. I don't know what you think, but that's what I think. Like, where my phone go, dog?
So now we want to do our G2. We have to go this way in front. See that? Now if you need another guard to put on, to smooth it out, you put on a 0.5. But you see, after once I
Yeah, yeah.
once I went against the one with that little
Mirror shot.
it closed, came back, it automatically takes out that G2 line. Okay?
What you feel?
So when I come back, it'll be faded, right?
Yeah, that bitch on the mirror right now.
What you getting angles and shit?
That was her phone, right?
Shit, huh?
What you getting angles and shit so I can see what you doing?
Yeah, bro. I'm showing your work off. Got done.
And then if you want to, see that little bit right there? You just go, what's the warning on it? Right? If not, you gotta go back to that one. If it's up here, to the one.
You in the city, bro, go ahead and get it right, you feel me?
We have to go back to
Get
the
it.
Lord sometimes, right? Especially if you get used to how
Ain't take too long, none of that shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
So like right in here.
What's my cash out, Trump? Like, yeah.
That's how thin we want it to be. And then this is closed. Open it up.
All right,
Call me, man.
yeah. All right. Man, we finna got finna go get some fire. Shit like that. Already, brother. Finna go get fire. Check your boxes off the list, man. Just check them off the list. Just keep doing what you're doing, bro. Put yourself around focused individuals. You know what I'm saying? Like, same shit. I would go get Lagaine now, but I'm on a little time crunch. I don't know if I want to go 5'6". Go with some baby at 22. Don't sleep on 22s now, cause them motherfuckers will bounce inside of your body. Feel me? I ain't going 6'2" yet. Like, you know, we gonna step by step with it, like, for real. I've been playing with them Flintstones though. Don't get it twisted. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? It's a good life when you got a variety. You know, it's a good life when you got a variety of things you can do. So we about to go ask bro. We about to go talk to who we need to talk to. So get up. Get up. Ask them. Bottle. Supple. Hey, you on $1,000, maybe telling for that shitter. How you claiming that you with me, but you scared to be a stepper? I just popped out with an EP. I've been really go listen. How I feel? It ain't nothing to grab my skin, hit the field in any weather. I just think that on the sweater. Phone T's on front of E. I'ma run up racks, I ain't worried about beef. No. T's and you tryna find the move. Niggas tryna put that fear in down, you make the news. Song you a loose screw. Better that time, get that song cheese too. In the function with them blues. Niggas tryna leave me out, but I get it through the door. Niggas tryna leave me out, I bet I get some dough. I just stay out by the way and get my don't give a fuck. Bitches wanna fuck, but they got luck. Nigga try to play, ain't got no luck. I just talk the guy to get me up. Pick my head up, pick my gun up, pick my mom up. Seen her through the mud. Bitch, I'm really going through some shit I can't even say. Niggas know I don't give a fuck, I have my way. Niggas mad, I got my way and they don't. Niggas know I got. Let bitch wanna eat the dick for dinner. Make sure I play, I give him a splinter. I don't give a fuck, nigga, I don't feed. I don't give a fuck, I'm from that east. Give me a cut and give me something to eat. Yeah, I gotta get my freestyles up. Make sure I play, you got no luck. You don't get no motherfucker fuck. Yeah, we hit the north, we hit the south. I'm making plays, I'm riding around, bitch, I got it out. I ain't tell you what I got it out, but I had fun. With this gun, I had that fun. Bitch, you getting fun. I ain't got no freestyle right now, I don't even know what's up. I know that I get that money, nigga, it's hot as fuck. I don't give a fuck, I'm in the sun. I ain't got no shirt on now, that bitch won't have my son. Gotta make a lot of my songs. On that damn lab. This money just flew out my hands. Something about it I can't pin it, I don't understand. Bitch, I been rebelling, still know that I won't take a stand. Every say you gon' do something to me, you know you soft like saying. To my mama this time, she listen. When you really growing up paper, they be feeling different. OGC, nigga really different. Why I ain't keep on winning? had to do too much. I just made them listen, and y'all can peek behind the blinds. Y'all know I'm a real star. Ain't y'all get boned down on nigga on me, cause I'm looking at the transit. I'ma make this paper talk. Withdraw. That wasn't bad at all. Nigga, if I got a ball, I bought that gas, mix it up, nigga, with a cart. Man, I feel like niggas be knowing what I'm doing sometimes. It just be what niggas be saying, bro. I don't know. I do know, but hey, RDE. I just got to hold on. The same hoe, I don't feel it all. Just fuck up on a wild when I'm clutching my pole. Then I go hit the road. I show my neck, but I might get gold. Take your game striker. Try to pull up on them deep. Like we some fucking bikers. Pull up to the function of freak. Told her I'm a biter. Ain't tryna protect you. Go get a firefighter. Cause this shit get hotter than like it's a fucking lighter. Serving locations you wouldn't. That bitch she stalking, she was my whereabout. 60, that hard, been that till you send them out. Different shit with different step. Hotel don't think that this is splat. You can't take from no foundation, nigga. We gon' get it back. How you hang with them niggas? You ain't big boy of the pack. You a little boy, you a little boy. Give you a little boy cap. I was riding with my boots up in 12, trying to serve a pack. Oh, this a little farther from you. See, this is good, like, good angle, bro. I know. I'm just now getting into like the little learning how to vlog. But y'all like it, so. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. Yes, sir. How you doing, brother?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How you doing? So I came in about a rifle like 2 weeks ago. Okay. I just ain't pick it up yet.
Come on.
I got
So you put
it.
on layaway?
You said what?
You say you put it on layaway?
Yeah, I was just waiting to buy it. Okay. Oh my god, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with that one right now.
Absolutely.
Get a little professional.
Just
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Get you a little bit a long way, a little bit a long way. Y'all, that Michael Drake is mine next year. So, that Michael Drake is mine, bro. Swing this dick from side to side. I feel like a wizard. Y'all, it's raining again, bro. It's raining again.
The last one, man. Good thing came in and did.
Sir. Glad I made it in time, too.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, this my second time in the store by myself. I went Rock Island today. I ain't feel like spending that much. But we're gonna explain it more. I was looking at that one on the internet. That's the 60 round I want. Oh, this one got a scope attached. Flashlight. Yes, sir. Come on, gang. Conceal, conceal, conceal.
That's a big one.
Big old one. Oh, but I walked up crazy. It's really like the shorts that people like the shorts and stuff. The rain shorts.
Yeah.
I gotta get into them more. Yeah.
That's all I really, man. No doubt. You gotta
Yeah,
find out
man.
the like shorts, play music,
Yeah.
shit that's trending, try to hit it out.
They gonna love the gun shorts too, like with the clip. They gonna love that one. I'm gonna find a clip for that one too.
See, I got everything for you, man.
Alright, appreciate it, brother.
Absolutely, brother. I appreciate you. That's you, man. Hey,
sir.
take it easy, bro.
Already. Alright, bro. Yeah. Oh shit. Hey, I swear to God, it ain't gonna be that. It ain't gonna be back there soon. Y'all playing. It ain't gonna be back there soon, man. But yeah, it's raining, bro. As y'all can see, it's raining outside. I told y'all it was raining all the time. I don't want to believe me, but yeah, the west side, they range too expensive, bro. So let's do a little searching real quick. We're gonna be right back.
In purchasing, press 2. For training and...
Mooresville.
Yeah, so how much is it for like a little session there? I'm trying to bring my brand new one in there.
$25 for an all-day pass.
Oh, okay, yeah. So appreciate that. I'm gonna be in there shortly.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright. Yeah, y'all. Put y'all best impression on. We finna go spend a little ticket just for the range, bro. 22s for baby. Listen, I play with all type of shit. But listen though, we finna go hit that. I'm finna see how I put on my little aim. Alright, I'm finna see how I put on my aim. We coming in here every week. Simple, bro. Put more range vlogs for y'all. More range vlogs. All that, bro. We doing all that. We going crazy the rest of the year. Okay? Get your papers right. Get your funds right. I ain't on no paper, though. Hey, I'm ready for to buy me some extended mags for everything, too. You know what I'm saying? For everything. Keep the word for everything. You ain't? Yeah, we finna start off small, bro. It's life. Okay? It's life. You jump inside whatever field you in. You gotta remember, like, it's okay to start over. It's okay to ease back into things. Heavyweight champions, when you lifting, and you ain't lifting like months, years, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You gonna lift everything, or you gonna lift what you can and then gradually lift more? But y'all know how I get down. If y'all really wanna know how I get down, just come be a part of this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, still real deal. This is how it go. RDE, yeah, really. This the way that it's gonna go. Put it on the floor. I sit back that way like I'm gripping on your throat. I don't want attention from your hoe, no. But if she suck a nigga beat up, then I gotta give her up. You feel cause these nigga wanna turn her into a folk. I ain't getting money, telling her when she a pose. Never pick me, hit the fuck. That I've been turned, they just don't even know. You will finally up, I don't wanna let you go. But I know you having fun, I've been through this before. Asked her if she ever took a jig and said before. I done left you in my past, cause you seen I done him cold. And she changed about a nigga, I'm still posted by the stove. To my lyrics, turn you a fuck nigga. And around 20 blocks, but it ain't the same mag. Nigga, that's on bro. I be forgetting my own lyrics, man. I ain't finna lie. I be forgetting my own lyrics. Beef cause these niggas wanna turn for into a foe. I been getting money swerving through the street with poles. I been getting money swerving through the street with a pole. Ask them if they ever took a jig or shit before. I done left you in my past cause you seen I done turn cold. All the hate and envy, swear that shit is getting old. All that fucking pussy shit, I swear you be a hoe. Okay. Yeah. All that hate and envy, boy, that shit is getting old. All you niggas capped out, I know y'all nigga hoes. Bitch, I'm on my own. Bitch, I'm on my own. Bitch, I pray to God just to get me home. But I know I'm good. Crack somebody that don't. I ain't really tryna beef. I just want my tune. I just want my money. I just want my fame. I just want them know Lil Fiji my name. Niggas try to play. I ain't got no time. Fucking on a bit. Yeah, she be a dime. I don't want no 50 bitch. I just want her mind. I just want her mind. I just want her brain. I just want some change. I just want them pray. I just want them know how I got my way. I just want them know what it should be this way. Yeah, I turn my heart off, cause they take it all away. I don't give a fuck. Bitch, I'm dripped out. Bitch, I'm dripped out. I ain't capped out. Bitch, I'm on the east. With my scrap out. I'm still trapped out. It's like I ain't trapped out. I'm a little bit trapped out, but I'm still on my grind. I don't give a fuck. Bitch, they don't cost a dime. Love don't cost a dime. Hey, they cost a lot. I don't give a fuck. Swerving through the nigga a lot. I'm still in your hood. I'm still in my hood. I'm still over you. Different city good. Bitch, Then you gotta spend that money, so you gotta get it. Niggas turn evil. Now they acting like they don't even get it. But you try to play me, but you did me wrong. I fucking get it. I don't even know why niggas fuck with me. I don't forgive it. If a nigga wanna play with me, I'ma pull out switch it. But I got a bitch on my side, and she love my dicky. This all this fucking dude. Only time I'm going stupid. 22, they bounce around. Kill take, I just fold it down. Trying to see me fucking down, bitch change. You know I just bust it down. Come on, bitch, don't play around. Try to swing. His eyes like he left the hood. Nigga, chop play, I'll show him why you fucking shooting. 18 riding around with Chris, Beck, and Glock. I was 18 with that motherfucking 6 shot. I was on that block. Yeah, I just fuck the thought. I don't fuck with thoughts. I just like the dimes. I just like dimes. Nigga, all that money mine. Nigga, all this money mine. I know I done changed my mind. I know I done changed my life. I know I done changed my style. Yeah, you know I'm really riding. You know I'm really riding. You know I'm rough riding. You know I'm not crying. I just pick my head up. I just pick my head up. I just get my set up. Bitch, you can't set me up. Bitch, you can't do me wrong. That bitch in the hood, I let her hear my song. I don't give no fuck. Bitch, I'm him alone. I with him all alone. They want shit, nigga. Come on. Yeah, I'm booted in this bitch, nigga. I ain't off no cheese, nigga. I ain't off no seed, nigga. Nigga, I'm off the fucking... nigga, I'm off this air, nigga. Somebody done shot your head down, ain't it? Too bad for you. Pretty sure I just bought some ammo with it too.
I'm gonna install your sights for you.
Oh yeah. Appreciate that.
Got some ammo.
Sure. That's the big.
And look at point blank range. Your number one range for trading.
That's the heavy artillery.
Shooting in the Charlotte area. We have locations in both north, holstered or fired, and remain in that condition until you get out to the firing line. At that time, you can unbag your firearm while you're keeping it pointed downrange, and then stow your bag underneath your tray table.
Heavy artillery, y'all. Yes, sir. Heavy artillery. Wood stock. That wood stock, though. If you know, you know. Wood stock. Light skin or dark skin. Pick your poison. Right now. Heavy artillery.
Watch where that's pointed.
Okay.
Needs to
I'm
only point in that direction.
Pointing shit. Start with 10 rounds. I gotta order the other part for the 25. They don't got them nowhere. About to get jiggy. So far, so good. No misses. Got no misses so far. That's so close though. So, gonna work with it. Gradually. Y'all know I don't be liking to read for real. I'm gonna scoot the little thing back. No misses. Oh, we got one. That's straight though. Gonna put a stop by this time. See how I like to fill it out. I'm gonna try to change the range now. Or was it 40? I'm gonna bring it back, see what I hit so far. Yeah, bro, we done got the whole top. Hold on. Yeah, we got the whole top. Oh yeah. We gotta do better on that little. Try to hit that X. We did good on the little short range, but yeah, we're gonna practice that. Yeah, bro, so we practicing long range today. It is a 2-2, so you know, I guess it is wishy-washy with long range, but we're gonna work with it today. Come back with some bigger shit. All the big shots on the way, so What you gonna do on that? Trust me, we're gonna have some raise make it short real quick. Oh, that's it. Yeah, bro. We real far too, like literally. We real far. Come on. Oh boy. Y'all see that one? Malfunction. Yup. First malfunction. Hey, you got the but they had a little malfunction. We're gonna see if we can get it right. Got like two. Got like a whole round left. Got like a whole round left. It's a little short vlog, you know what I'm saying? A little short range vlog, bro. We're gonna bring this one back shorter though, so we hit all our shots. But we gotta practice the long range too, bro. Go get all that. So shit like 20, bro. Start off with 20. Look for that boy to come through. Let's see what we got. Yeah, bro, we definitely cracked this up, bro. I could tip, I could get the, I could get good headshot, but stummy, I don't know. You gotta practice that little X, bro. But we good on the top. Bottom, do not know. Yep. Definitely need practice all that shit. Yeah. We gonna wrap that one up. Just ran through the whole box. 50. You know what I'm saying? Put the mags up. Hold the gun how you supposed to hold it. Gonna get what you need, get your practice in. All that. Catch your neck clip. Man, it's hot as fuck. Yeah. Shit, bro. I ain't really got down. Yeah, bro, that's the vlog. Hot, bro. You ain't got no AC. I feel bad for you, man, but that's the vlog right there. Over with. I want y'all to fuck with me, bro. Subscribe, like, play the tracks, bro. Changing my sound up. Play the music. All that, bro. Like, enjoy y'all's live. Definitely getting outside now. Definitely. See y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, though. For real. Love y'all. Love to the ones that listen. Love to the ones that fuck with what I got to say. Yeah, real deal way, cause we keep it real. Out with the vlog.